everybody, I'm Lego Sapphire and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And I remember that I once made a bed in under 3 minutes. Well, there's more than one way in making absolutely anything, and there's definitely more than one way to make a bed. So this time I'm going to be showing you how to make this sort of bed. It has 2 studs just to hold the legs in, and well, has a nice smoothness to it. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I will go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. Alright, so this build is going to be using a slightly different technique today, because we're going to be making it 5 studs long, which is very uncommon in Lego, but we're going to be doing it because we want to show off how good we are. So a 2x4 base plate, a 2x4 base plate, and a 1x4 base plate placed all together, that makes a total of 5x4. We're going to attach them together by a 2x4 base plate back here, and at the front, to fill in the gap, a side attachment plate up here on the front. Now we're going to add some more base plates, 2x3 base plate and 2x2 base plate over here on top of here, and now we're going to add the kind of bed clothes. So we're going to bring in, how many is this? How many of these have I got? Oh yeah, 6 of these pink pieces and 4 of these white pieces. 4 of these white pieces, and we're just gonna stick them along here in alternating formation to give us a kind of stripy, kind of candy-like bedclothes. I'm using pink and white, but you can use any color you like, because there's many different color schemes out there to choose. And we're gonna add some tiles. So I'm using the pink ones because they're gonna match with the pink stripes over here, just 2 of them, and a 1x2 base plate over here that's gonna match with the white stripe. And for the pillow, a 2x2 standard base plate, a 1x2 standard base plate in this kind of purple, and these slope pieces, I'm using them in purple as well to give me a purple pillow. So we're going to put this purple pillow on the bed. At the front we're going to have a 1x2 jumper plate. This gives you the idea of a drawer slightly, but I'm just adding it for decoration as well. Now we're going to turn it over and we're going to add the legs. So we're going to use these pink flower pieces. If you want to use just regular studs, feel free to do so. Just gonna stick them all along the bottom. We're gonna turn it round, and there we've done it. So there we have it. The bed is complete. This is just one of the versions that you can do out of it. You can change it however you like, the colors and the styling. But the main idea about this is not only because of the shaping, but also that it's 5 studs wide. If you have a building that has a floor space of 5 studs wide, this will fit in perfectly. And, of course, we can have somebody sleeping on it. So I'm going to bring in this skier, the skier over here. And we're just going to place her down on this bed. The studs attached to the top of her legs, and let's see if we can turn her head slightly as well to lie on the pillow. Yeah, this looks very good. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that it's inspired you, and until next time, happy building!